This is really cool. No, this is really warm mini space heater. Let me tell you why I really like this thing. I've been using it in my bathroom because that's the only room in my house that doesn't have a heater vent. And you can see this thing is just tiny. It heats up instantly. You can see here I have it hooked up to a smart socket. It's using about 1200 to 1300 watts of power. And it comes in this tiny box. It is just really small, really lightweight, but it works quite well. So here it's got this protection, so if it tips over, it turns off. It's got this large fan in the back to circulate the air. And then you can see on top it has these different knobs. So this knob is a thermostat, so you can set basically the temperature you want. You can hear that clicking on and off. And then you have the two different levels of power, and then you also have just a fan if you want just a fan, or you can turn it off completely. I did get this for free to do this review, and I'm really impressed with it, mostly because this thing is just crazy lightweight, super small, but it works just as well as a much larger space heater. In fact, I ran several tests throughout this month, and I had a large space heater that I was comparing it to. And the thing is, if you look at this area here that has the actual heated elements, this is about as large as you would see with a larger space heater. It's using more or less the same power as a larger space heater does, so it pushes out the same amount of heat. I also like that this has a large fan in the back, so it does a great job circulating the air. And what's nice for me is it doesn't have a remote. It's super simple, so I can hook this up to my smart socket. So on my phone, I can say when the sensor in my bathroom gets a certain temperature, I can kick this on, or I can just use the thermostat built in. However I want to do it. Really simple to use, really lightweight, but just as effective as a much larger space heater. This thing is really cool. I highly recommend it.